Hello, techie. Today we have a real flagship of the future for review, Realme GT7 Pro. This device is ready to amaze you with its design, power, and innovative features. The first thing that catches your attention is the incredibly thin body with premium materials. Tempered glass with an exquisite matte finish combined with curved edges creates a feeling of luxury. And the choice of colors? From strict classics to futuristic gradients. The 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2K and support for a refresh rate of 120 Hz makes every image incredibly smooth and detailed. With a brightness of up to 2000 nits, you can enjoy content even in bright sunlight. Under the hood of the GT7 Pro is a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with incredible performance. This processor, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, makes the smartphone perfect for gaming, work, and multimedia. The camera system is a separate work of art. The main 50-megapixel sensor with optical stabilization and AI algorithms creates photos that impress with their realism. The ultra-wide-angle camera and telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom expand your capabilities. And the 16-megapixel front camera will give you perfect selfies. Realme GT7 Pro is equipped with a 6,500 mAh battery with support for 120-watt super-fast charging, just 10 minutes at the outlet. And your smartphone is charged for the whole day. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. Realme UI 6.0, based on Android 15. A convenient, intuitive, and stylish interface. Support for 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4 for maximum connection speed. Realme GT7 Pro is not just a smartphone, but your reliable companion, ready to conquer any challenges. Do you want to stand out? Do you want maximum opportunities? This device is for you. Subscribe to our channel, like and write in the comments what you think about this monster of technology. See you in new videos.